This channel, YouTube channel, makes 11,000 to 183,000 US dollars per month and approximately 333,000 to 5.3 million dollars a year. No guarantee, that's an assumption. And let's watch one of the videos.
But it is just so much sweeter beating America. Yeah.
By the way, if you're thinking, why am I showing you this, is because I assume you have a 9-to-5 day job and you want to earn more money and you want to use the internet, your mobile phone, your computer to earn money from home. If that is the case, you are at the right place. And if you don't have time to watch this video, but you want to make money like these guys, you should actually watch this video, but you can take a shortcut. Go to this website right here, moshbari.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio based on where you're watching this video from, and go and watch the free training video. That free training will show you how we run our digital marketing business using AI and automated funnel. And 9-to-5er members like these guys are earning these kind of commissions. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Results are not typical, but it simply works. It's legal and it's halal, and it's 99% done for you. So if you're not watching the free training video right here, moshbari.com, then you are doing yourself a disservice. Don't do that. Go watch it. Now, this video is highly related, so let's keep watching.
Particularly the first night of competition, where we did not have to hear Star Spangled Banner ring out through the stadium, and I cannot tell you how happy that made me. They ring out, USA, USA, and I just wanted to touch someone more.
Wow. Somebody said that to me, I would lose it. I would literally make them eat every word they just said about me. Because people have done it.
Now see what's going on.
At the club, Thorpe, you guys have all talked about me. And I had the last laugh. So, for the Americans, I would watch that thing every single day to give me that little extra bit of just, Oh, I mean, look, Let me tell you what's...
So 3/4 of the video, or a little less than that, was the original video. And now comes the reaction.
Extremely attractive is having that pride. Freaking love it. You want to root for this guy. Fortunately, he's not swimming anymore. But, oh my God, there's nothing like somebody wanting to win for their country.
It's simply a reaction video. That was the original video, and now you just saw a reaction video. I'm telling over and over because it's important. This guy at the bottom, his name is Patrick Bet-David. Now, he has tons of unique videos of his own, and his channel produces tons and tons of content. However, there are tons of most popular videos are these reaction videos. I have chosen this video from one of his highest viewed videos in recent times. Not an old one, not the most popular one. Recent most popular one is a reaction video. And in my opinion, this kind of content is the easiest type of content for beginners, especially 9-to-5ers. Because as a 9-to-5er, you only have maximum 1, 2, or maximum 3 hours per day to make some content and actually make some money. Now, in this case, all you need to do is to watch another person's content on your mobile phone and record your reaction using another phone. Let's say this one, very old, very ugly, and broken screen. These can do the job. Then put these two videos together using a free software called CapCut or any other free software. Now, there are better ways to do that. I have made tons of videos about this. You can use AI, complete AI, and make that reaction using AI without showing yourself, without showing your face on the camera. However, the main question is, what are you going to say in your reaction? What would be your reaction on a certain video, especially when the topic is not known to you? For example, my niche is BizOp or business opportunity, or make money online, or affiliate marketing. You, my friend, have no experience in that. Then how can you start with these niches? So in order to help our students to make content on a topic that they have no idea of, we introduced AI, or we introduced AI methods. And it's pretty simple. Anyone can do it. You don't need fancy AI software. You just need ChatGPT or Claude, the regular ones. So go to this custom GPT and click start. Now here's the interesting part. You do not really need to chat a lot. You do not need to give custom instruction to AI to give you some results. You just need to say yes or no. For example, now you are being asked, who is your audience? And then what is the goal for the reaction video? Make it easy for you. We already set up the answers. If these answers are right, then you simply need to type go. Now AI wants the details of the video, the original video that you're going to react on. Let's say I want to react on this video.
Yo, real quick, before you even overthink this, let me just say it. If you're not posting 100 times a day, you're losing.
The channel name is Gary Mode Daily. It's basically Gary V's content remade. Anyways, let's use this example. All I need is the transcript of the video. So I'll click show transcript from the bottom of the description and I will copy the whole transcript, Control C, and I'll put it right here, Control V. And I do not need to do anything else. Now, if you're an old subscriber or old viewer of my channel, then you might have seen this video, or maybe you saw this demonstration in a webinar. That's okay, because I'm here to show you something new, because we keep improving this stuff very, very frequently. So at this point, ChatGPT just showed you that there are 5 ways or 5 type of reactions you can do on this video. And number 3 has the highest rating for goal match. And my goal is to build trust and authority. So I will choose based on the emotion used and why it works. This one works because you agree and explain why this matters. For 9-to-5 hustlers, it shows authority. Awesome. So I'm going to type 1 and hit enter. Now I have a complete script, step by step, for my reaction for this video. Now here is something new that you haven't watched before. Now here is something new that you haven't seen before in any of my videos, because we added this 2 days before. At the end, AI is asking me, do you want me to add strong stats and credible info throughout the script to make it sound like an expert and authority driven? Which means AI will now go and fetch some interesting and relevant stats. Or there is another option. You can just ask AI to move to the step 7. No, I want to add more stats. So I would just say add stats first. Now it's searching the internet. Can you see that? Okay. Now I got some new stats. People scroll over 300 feet of content daily. That's interesting. And it came from this website. Another one. In 2025, attention is currency. 76% of users now buy based on social discovery. And here are the sources. Okay, I got it. My reaction is ready. But I am not happy, because it feels like robotic. Like, let's say like this, facts in 2025. Okay, I want this to be checked by a copywriter. So now AI is asking whether it should act as a AI should act as a top tier copywriting consultant to polish and review the grammar and ensure its 5th grade reading level. So I would just say step 7. Okay, I don't want to read it anymore, because that's not my job. That's AI's job. And I have to believe AI has done its job. So I want AI to do the step 8, which is combining all the script in one paragraph. So I would say yes. Honestly, this is not necessary, but it's my choice. I just want to read it from one paragraph. Manually verify and approve the script. Stop scrolling. Gary just dropped a truth bomb that will change your content game forever. He said, if you are not posting 100 times a day, you are losing. Period. What? 100 times? Sounds crazy, right? But wait, he's 100% right. People scroll over 300 feet of content every day. The height of the Statue of Liberty. If you post once a week, you are invincible. Facts. Attention is the new money. 76%. Oh, sorry, my bad. It was, if you post once a week, you are invisible. Not invincible, Habibi. Facts. Attention is the new money. 76% of people now buy because of what they see on social media. Gary said it best. Perfection is just procrastination wearing a suit. Daily posters grow 67% faster than weekly posters. That's math, not opinion. And here's the money line. You want more sales, more leads, more followers? Then show up. Post messy. Post now. So if you are overthinking, stop. Post messy. Post often. Gary's right. The game isn't talent. It's visibility. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you are posting today. And follow for no BS content strategy. Well, it's not bad, But when you read it as a reaction, you should improve it as your own style. One of my students of the 99% Done For You program is following this and is doing well. And look at his views. He just started recently. 1,400 views, 955 views. Every single view is important because every eyeball is a potential customer. To know more about how much money we make from views and from customers, you should seriously watch this training video. Link in the description or in the bio based on where you're watching from. Now, this guy has been improving a lot, but I want to show you one of his videos so we can find something together.
Forbes did an article, The Car Dealership Billionaire No One Knows. And it's about this guy named Terry Taylor who owns, I think, 120 car dealerships. They came across him.
So basically, he got found out when he started splurging. Relatable.
Because someone
That was good, not bad.
recently bought Tommy Hilfiger $30 million mansion in New York City, and turns out the same LLC owns $250 million worth of real estate. And they find out that it's this auto dealership owner, and he owns a bunch of them.
This is exactly the kind of leverage and scale we're aiming for, just, digitally.
And he's just
Do you think there is something missing? The tone, the energy, am I right?
making a lot of money, and they eventually get a hold of him, and he goes, I heard you've talked to all my associates. Fine, I will answer just a few questions for you. And the whole story is how he purposely is trying to be low-key and under the radar, but they uncover that he owns an $80 million jet. He owns all this amazing stuff.
My amazing stuff is currently just a really good coffee maker. We're working on it.
Turns out car dealerships, shockingly amazing companies.
Let me share the cash framework that works perfectly for 9-to-5ers. C stands for create. Create content around problems you understand. Start with 20 minutes daily. A stands for affiliate. Affiliate with digital products that solve those problems. Think courses and tools you'd actually use. S stands for share. Share your contents on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And H stands for help. Answering people's questions, being helpful. The beauty of this approach? We don't need a massive real estate portfolio or an $80 million jet to start. Just a few minutes a day, and we're on our way to building something that helps us and others. Who's ready? If you love the content, hit subscribe, like, and share with your friends. If you want results like this but don't know where to start, comment guide or check trafficbeachbar.com/1k for educational content first.
Wow, I loved it a lot, right? He did really well. There are a couple of things I want to improve. Number one, YouTube will give you the best quality audience. Unfortunately, YouTube Shorts is not the best of the best for business. It's the best for visibility, but not for business. Instagram Shorts or Reels, on the other hand, will give you the best business tools, such as DMs. People can DM you, you can reply them back, can have a conversation, build trust and authority, and eventually they will buy high price offers from you, even from you or your affiliate offers, whatever. So if you have YouTube audience, then you should use this audience to boost your Instagram profile or your Instagram audience, and then use these tools to boost your business. Plus, since you are being proficient in making videos, then you should consider making longer videos like the one you're watching right now, because there is a description below this video. So I can put my links below this video. Tons of people find those links and take action. Number two, when viewers watch longer videos, spend longer time with you, they build more rapport, more trust, and you build more authority with them. So yes, your short videos are adding visibility to your channel, but your long videos are actually doing the sales on your behalf. And with everything, you should boost your Instagram page and Instagram channel because of these tools.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
So here's my recommendation to you guys and my student. Use AI the way I showed you to learn new skills, new information, new opinion, and then use your experience with using AI and the skills that you learned and put these two into your content. Every piece of content is valuable because you are going to upload the same content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Now, you may like any of the platforms more than the others, that's okay, but your like doesn't mean anything. What matters is where your customers are and which of these platforms is liking you more or your content more. Let's say, for example, just like my student, YouTube is liking your content more, giving priority, sending viewers. Then use YouTube to boost other platforms, especially Instagram, because Instagram is the best for business. It gives you better business tools. Instagram's Facebook belong to the same company, Meta, so they can be connected. When you post a content on Instagram, they can be auto-posted on Facebook as well, and vice versa. Instagram has DM system, Facebook has DM system as well. Now let's talk about TikTok. Sometimes TikTok may grow faster than other channels. In that case, you should use TikTok, boost your YouTube for better quality traffic, and Instagram for better business tools. You got the point. Basically, you need to find out which platform is supporting you more than the others and use that platform to boost all of them all together. There are multiple reasons for that. Number one is you do not know which company or which platform will decide to degrade your channels or pages. Or maybe they simply shut down your account anytime they want. That's a part of life and part of our business. It can happen anytime. You do not want to lose your traffic for a single day. So whichever application or platform is working better for you, use it to build your audience and build your business. Okay, this part is clear. Now you understand you're going to use these platforms to get visibility towards your personal brand or your company brand. Now your content should do one more thing. Your content should drive your viewers an AI-powered automated sales funnel. The job of this sales funnel is to sell on your behalf. And when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. And here comes our 99% done for you program, where you make this kind of money with a 99% done for you system. You don't need to worry about your website. You don't need to worry about your product. You don't need to worry about the promotional materials. You literally don't need to worry about anything, not even education. So if you're a complete beginner, this program is just for you. So go ahead, watch the training video, and ask me any question if you have via Instagram DM. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos and these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.